Okay, so today we're unboxing the Nintendo Entertainment System Lego set. 18 plus, 71374, 2,646 pieces. Had this for a while, bought it a while ago on offer. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Have a look on the back here. Pretty cool set. Little working dial there, TV. So there's a Mario going up and down. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. We've got a big box straight away. Box in the box. That there for now. Down there. So, bag 15. Bag 14. Bag 18. Nice little bits there. Bag 10. Bag 9. And standard content in there. Bag 17. Small little tiles there, they're always quite annoying. Bag 21. Quite cool pieces in there. Fairly big bag. Bag 10. Some Technic pieces in there. Pretty good. And bag 20. And bag 11. Bag 8. And bag 13. Got a large bit in there. Technic bits again. Bag 20. So they're not numbered 1 to however many, there's a couple of each number. Bag 16. Got some little plates there. Lengthy bits. And bag 16. Another bag 16. A long bit of cable there. Bag 12. Bits of black and brown. A little bits in there. And one more bag at the back. And bag 19. So, set that out of the way. And then let's have a look and see what's in this one. Bag 1. Pretty cool. And we have bag 5. Oh, I like the colours in here. Pretty cool. There's the manuals. Put those in the set. Bag 7. 2 small pixels, full Nintendo system tile there. Another bag 7, 2 small bits. We have a plate. Quite a large bag 4. Some standard stuff. And we have bag 2. Oh, a mixture of bits in there. Bag 7, another bag 7. A lot of plates in there, various bits. Another bag 3. I like the colours of this set, they're really cool. It's fun to build this. And we have a bag 6. A lot of pieces in here. Very good. Nice stuff. So let's look at one more piece in here. This looks like just a grey bit of fix. So let's have a count up of the bags. So sort them out first. 21 is the highest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 there. Fifteen. Seventeen. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26 bags. Right. And then these bits as well. 26 bags in the box. And then we have these manuals, so let's have a look at these. Try and open this so I can use the bag again. Just try and slit it if possible. Scissors are preferable, but I haven't got a pair with me. So we've got just a couple of stickers. That's obviously for the game cartridge, and that's for the back of the television. That's really cool. And we've got 2 manuals, fairly hefty. So the first manual, that's pretty cool. This looks really good fun to build. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm looking forward to this. Good. And then the second one. Some old games here. Never had a Nintendo Entertainment System, but I always wanted one when I was a kid. I've never got one. So yeah, this is obviously for the TV, so it looks quite complicated actually. It should be quite an interesting process to build it. Yeah, very good. And many steps we've got in this one. A lot of pieces, 2,000 odd pieces in here, 266 steps in there, and 295 in there, so nearly 600 steps in all. Very good. Thanks very much, and yeah, look forward to building this one.